When you think about like food and getting knowledge, how to cook and techniques, Cordon Bleu is the first school that came into my mind.
Well, what attracted me to the Cordon Bleu was pretty much the worldwide reputation that it has.
Quite an intense program, but I absolutely love it. You wake up every morning and you just go, go, go. At night you're exhausted, but the next morning you want to wake up and do it again. It's really great.
I mean, we are studying from early morning, sometimes even late evening, but the information we get, the knowledge we get, is definitely worth it. And that was pretty much it. I was sold, because everybody knows the Cordon Bleu is the best.
You've got everything around you, all the shops. I mean, we're 10 minutes away from Oxford Street, where it's all going on. Great atmosphere, and London's such a great city. There's so much to do.
You've got the teachers, you've got the different students from different cultures. Everything you could ever want when learning is in this school.
I think in London it's quite an international city. There's a lot of nationality.
There's a big diversity in terms of nationalities and cultures. When I started in October, we had 50 nationalities among 60 students in my class.
There are dozens and dozens of nationalities. I'm from Sierra Leone myself, and I think I'm probably the first Sierra Leonean to study here.
There are so many students here as well, not just from England, but from China, from Italy, from France, all over the world.
I think studying in the Cordon Bleu is similar to work in the industry, because all the equipment, ingredients, just look professional.
The equipment and facilities they have in the school are just top rate.
I've learned so much, stuff that I never thought would be possible for me to do.
After winning the bake-off, I wanted to come to the Cordon Bleu, not only because of the reverence that it has, but also because as a home baker I won the bake-off, not as a professional baker, and I want to be a professional baker.
Le Cordon Bleu has helped me to understand what food is about and what cooking is about.
But when you look back, you realise just how much you've actually learned.
I love it. I love, cooking every day of my life. I mean, what could be better? It's my dream.
It definitely has lived up to expectations.
For me, it's amplified the enjoyment, the passion, the true dedication that I have to food and cooking. It just makes me want to do it even more.
Le Cordon Bleu has exceeded my expectations. It's been such an incredible experience.